8th graders. This short video will demonstrate for you how to do the things that are on the checklist of your editing revision document. You have this green handout in class that asks you to look for these things in your own essay and to look for them in a partner's essay. If you don't know how to do any of these, that's what this video is for. Okay, anytime that you need to do something to your entire document, you can do an edit, select all, or Control A, and then the first thing says size 12 font. All right, over by your style and your font and your size, you go down to 12. The next thing says you can use Arial or Times fonts. These are considered fairly neutral and easy to read. Remember, your ELA teacher is reading 100 of these essays or more. You want this to be easy for them to read. Okay, I'm going to choose Times. Then I need to make sure that my font color is in black. It is. If yours is not, where this A is underlined, that's where you could change that color back to black. Double spaced. This one you find up in this toolbar where you see this up and down arrow next to line spacing. If for some reason you don't see all these same options and buttons that I do, extend the window for your Google Docs, make it larger, and then these all appear. Otherwise, you've got a button here that says More, and you could choose that. So everything is still highlighted on my document. Oh, it was still highlighted. Select all. This one, choose double. What this does is you just saw, add space between the lines. This also really aids in readability and allows for teachers to make comments. Make sure your paragraphs are indented with a tab. Each of these are, okay? If it was not indented with a tab, it would look all the way left justified. Get your cursor in front of the first word in each paragraph and push tab on your keyboard in order to justify with tabs. The references page is included. We did that in our previous video, but it should be on its own page, works cited, alphabetized. Okay. Author and the date is included in all citations. I haven't added my citations to this document yet. You'll see that in the next video. Double check that you have not used first person, I, me, or we. You haven't used second person, you. As an academic essay, all of those words are implied. We know it is your thoughts because you are writing it. Do not address your reader directly as you. You've checked your spelling, checked for that you've capitalized letter I, and you've used complete sentences. A great way to do this, and a way that I'm requiring my classes to do this, is go to your add-ons and use Language Tool. Check this document with Language Tool. If you don't have this add-on Language Tool, you can go to the Google add-on store, search for Language Tool, add it. You go right here where it says Get Add-ons, get Language Tool, and then use it. It will check all of those things. Make sure your essay is at least 5 paragraphs. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm good to go. And have I used an appropriate tone? This means, is your paper academic? This is an argumentative essay for academic purposes. It should not sound conversational. It should sound knowledgeable. All right, that gets you guys through your checklist.